No, 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 no. Oh my god, this is just crazy. I bet that's a Russian. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. I am Bianca. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a very different experience. We just moved into Dubai Marina a few days ago, so I want to take you guys tour you around the place we're staying, give you a whole house tour, and also this area is quite interesting. I'm not sure if I still like it or not, but I'll show you guys around so you will have your own opinion as well. Just arrived in Marina. Did you see that building behind there? I didn't even see like a Chinese building look like that. It's crazy. It feels like you can like you know put like 1 million people living in that neighborhood. It's, oh my god, seriously. Oh my god, guys, do you see that? I come from China, but I'm shocked. I bet that's a Russian.
Opa.
Let's go.
Yo, yo.
I want to check out the view.
Not bad at all.
Awesome. Oh, this is so awesome. Big living room. Show us the view.
There it is. Oh, we see the freaking, however it's called, like the huge Ferris wheel. Oh, yes.
Let's go. Oh my god.
Yeah,
seriously?
not bad,
Oh my
That's our reaction.
god.
I think we're safe now. I think you can take off your mask.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my god, this is just crazy. Wow.
Oh, yo.
Wow.
Check this out.
Holy shit. Are you
We
serious?
see the palm from here.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. As per usual, let me give you a room tour. First of all, let's start with the balcony.
It's an apartment tour.
It's apartment tour! Check this out. Come on, dude! Seriously, oh my god, look at this view. That's the palm, and that is the Dubai
Dubai, yes.
Dubai. And here we have like the beach, and that is kind of like a port. So just by like staying in your balcony, you know, you kind of like see all the either fancy hotels or hot spot of the city, just everywhere outside the window or even inside, you know, while you're sitting like working in your living room. This view is just like extremely crazy. And maybe come here. We're leaving the 30. Is it too close?
No, it's fine.
Yeah, we're living the 31st floor. Yeah, look at this. I mean, I'm a little bit afraid of height, but this is just like amazing.
What's the name of the hotel?
The hotel, the name is Barcelo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Barcelo Residences. Why would you torture me like this?
You nailed it. Let's go. Keep going.
Yeah, okay, so let me just give you a quick look of the living room area. So here we have a huge table, which is like supposed to be a dining table, but you know, Danny got it all exclusive for himself to work.
I'm not
And
sure
here
that's
we
true.
have our living room area. Just came over, a friend of Danny's just came over and had a really good chat. We have a huge table here, then we have a TV, so for sure you can have your, you know, like movie night or whatever. And here, you sit here, oh my god. This is our bedroom. This is a one bedroom apartment. And here, this is like really large bedroom. Here, this is basically like my working area. So we have, you know, like separate space and a huge closet, another TV, bathroom, and even here, like seriously, I don't know, one bedroom, like how many luggage do you have you need to put here? Yeah, here we even have like an extra bathroom, but yeah, it's fairly
Yes, better.
bathroom.
Yeah.
Bathroom. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. No, I made the mistake.
Okay. And then here you come with a large, like to my taste, it's like a very big kitchen area. And they also, you know, like seriously, like everything, literally everything for you. You don't have to worry about even washing machine and coffee cooker and unlimited water.
Babies.
No, actually I bought this, but they just like, whenever you need something, they just bring up to you for free. Not for free, no, it's charged by the room, but also like a coffee pots, like unlimited. Yeah. So yeah, it's super nice. So for this hotel apartment, for one night, it's around like 120 euro or dollars, yeah, per night. And now I think they're under discount. So if you get like a, maybe not this floor or like a studio apartment, it's like much cheaper. And also this area, you go downstairs, there's also a lot of like supermarkets nearby as well, restaurants. So it's very convenient. Cafes in the distance. Never mind.
Well, we're in the main action, basically.
Oh, I almost forgot to mention one thing. Like, there's just so much activities going outside of our window. You see the airplanes, they're like, you know, taking off all the time, a lot of boats, and also people do like, no, I have shots.
Yeah, but like, look, it's right there. It's all the time. It's all the time. It's
all
in
the
real
time.
time.
And you know, sometimes like when they all, like, I don't know even how to say that, like they just come down from the sky so fast, which make me think like, are they like falling down from the sky or what? Because they were just extremely fast. I was so scared for them, but, and like, how do you say that? Well, they have it controlled, that's, yeah. Let's go out later. Embarrassment! Alright guys, we're now going to the beach to meet Danny. He's there meeting some friends, so waiting for me in Starbucks. So we're now going to take a train to meet them there, then walk to the beach. Maybe it's hot. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the usual. This is so... Ooh. Okay, so I just walked out from there, and this is the hotel we're staying right now. That's the name. Still a little bit like fuzzy, but you see. So I'm gonna take a walk from here to take a train to go all the way back there. Right there, that's Marina. We're gonna take a walk tonight. Show you later. Okay. Oof. Seriously, I'm so sweaty. To be honest with you guys, I personally don't really like this area. It just like, it's, I don't know, it's a lot of buildings, houses, and it's not really walkable. And you walk around and there's like, you don't feel, you know, don't feel like life. Well, I mean, I'm comparing now with the Balkans, you know, because over there every street is like small, short, you can actually just walk everywhere in a city, but here it's like you have to kind of have a car. I'm not sure, maybe I just still need some time to absorb everything. That's my train. I think I'm gonna miss it. That's the train station. Train station. Yeah, I am missing it. Maybe I'll catch it. Let's run a little bit. Okay, I don't think I will make it. Let's wait for another one. Yeah, maybe some of you will say, just cross the street. But you know what? In Dubai, I barely see people crossing the street. I think the laws here are just pretty strict, you know? Like, people don't want to risk that. I'm not sure what is next trim gonna come, but I can just get pretty tan before the beach here. One step, 3 dirham. I think like 2 minutes. I always like, you know, like in the train and also subway, they always have this kind of like luggage box in the car. So I guess because a lot of tourists, that is very nice. Okay, I already want to go back. I mean, I come here to meet Danny so we can go to the beach to fry ourselves, but I think I'm pretty fried enough. After over an hour, we finally made to the beach. Why 1 hour? Because I was stuck somewhere between for like 40 minutes.
Then you blame me for it.
I just couldn't find where's the Starbucks. And I walked there.
For Starbucks?
I was like, seriously, I was like, I mean, in Dubai, you cannot walk for like 40 minutes. So I was so fried, and now we made to the beach. I just want to go home already, but here's nice area. It's pretty alive. A lot of like stores and yeah, like market as well. Tons of people laying here.
Set up our towels here?
Sure. So the water is actually pretty hot. So many people in this beach. Oh my god. This actually reminds me a lot of Tel Aviv. When I was there, it looks pretty similar. Like on the back, it's all the city, and here all the young people, they're, you know, spending their daytimes here while they're not working.
Seriously, where was I last time?
Okay, finished the beach, the beach, and now we're on our way back home. But then we decided to take some like burgers and coke. It's just so hot in the beach. Oh, awesome! Look at him, hero.
Taking my girl out for a treat. That's how you keep him happy. Here.
In Marina, everything's so expensive. McDonald's is probably one of the cheapest choice you can have. And yeah, this ice cream is like 2 dirham. Also, they have like very cheap meal for like only 10 dirham for a coke, fries, and burgers. So yeah,
Yeah, we have the budget lower.
travel Dubai on a budget. So that's the car you're parking here, no problem. Not at all.
So nice to stand on the balcony there. Hello.
Okay guys, now we came to the marina. We actually walked here yesterday already. Away from that angle.
Nice for you. Look at this.
What is this?
I don't know. Body Perfect Holistic Center. Here. This view. Awesome.
Okay, so yeah, basically we have like a little river here, just surrounding with tons of big buildings, and you see those like yachts all the time. Seriously, all the time, like people just like driving through here and
This one's public transport. Look at that, Dubai Ferry.
ah, Okay. It's busy in the water, but here on the side, I barely see any stores. They have some stores like actually in the main street, but here, yeah, over that side they have some restaurants. But here, if you walk on this side, there's like nothing. I'm not sure if it's like this all the time, but yeah, during these days it's quite empty. Here, it just seems like people, take a walk or ride their bicycles here to relax a little bit. Alright guys, changed into bikini. Finally, moving out tomorrow and now we decided to check out the pool. Let's go. Ayo! I see you.
Go shoddy. Look at her, I got a camera now. Censoring the...
Here. Can you press? And that's us relaxing.
It's like when I relax for 20 minutes by the pool. Take the stabilizer, the 3 lenses.
2 cameras, 2 phones, to film.
It's just like in the comments, guys, you should enjoy yourself a little bit more. It's like we're not on vacation. It's like my grandma all the time is like, enjoy the vacation. It's like, grandma, you've been for 4 years now. It's like, it's like in Russian there is this like, it's like enjoy your time off. It's like, grandma, I work hard every motherfucking day, yeah.
To naked kids. Hopefully we won't get busted.
Busted. You learned busted, huh?
Busted. Look at your mask.
You say busted like British person saying.
Yeah, that's what
Busted.
I heard. Oh, really? Okay. From the movies.
You busted.
Yeah. Busted.
Yeah, exactly. Stop it, it's not my vlog.
Oh, it's mine. Hi guys, I'm back. Awesome.
Seriously, now the sun is behind the building.
Really? You're not behind the clouds?
There is no clouds.
Okay.
It's literally behind the building.
Awesome! Guys, look at that. Seriously. This area.
Yeah, quality looks good.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I need to do an audio test though.
Oh, baby, be careful! So we came down to get tanned, but the whole pool, only that corner has sunshine. So I think I'm gonna get on to laying there for like 10 minutes.
Should have come like half an hour earlier.
Yes.
It was so crazy sunny.
Yeah. And also now, like under COVID, so every like gym and pool you need to make a reservation. It's only like maximum for 8 person. And now we're 2, but somebody already got the reservation for like in like 10 minutes, so we have to leave soon. It's nice here. Yeah, this place is like, like a spring, hot spring, natural hot spring, so just like come up from the...
And fake hot spring is jacuzzi.
Okay, let me go there.
No?